Hello, everyone. For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Good afternoon and welcome to Disneyland Resort. For your convenience, Disneyland Park will be open until 11 p.m. Disney California Adventure Park will be open until 9 p.m. Tram will run 1 hour after the park closing time, which means we will be running our last tram at midnight on the dot. If you're not here, you might end up walking. So make sure you're by midnight. Very good.
Welcome to the Disneyland Resort 70th celebration, where 70 years of magic, memories, and happiness fill every corner of the happiest place on Earth. We're now en route to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you are here just for the day, our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value. Welcome back to our Magic Key holders. Unlock more magic today with your pass by checking the Magic Key portal on the Disneyland app for your latest discounts and special offerings under Extras Unlocked. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction wait times, and mobile order food for pickup. To provide a more enjoyable experience for everyone who visits, smoking and vaping are not permitted in our theme park, the Esplanade Theme Park, or in the downtown Disney District. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time.
Alrighty folks, as you approach your one and only destination, please remain seated with those doors closed until the tram has come to a full complete stop. And I've indicated safety to exit to your driver's left-hand side, and exit your driver's left-hand side only towards the monorail. Once again folks, please remain seated with those doors closed until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Please wait, not yet. Already lower your head, watch your step, and exit to your driver's left-hand side. Have a magical night.
Seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or loose items that could fall. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast.
That's Disney. Yeah. That's sad.
Very good.
I kind of think of it like an airport. You know, like everything's like up in price because like this is when you want to represent. If you didn't bring it, you're willing to pay
You'll be
that
leaving
price.
the guest parking area and returning later today. Just shows today's parking strategy as we enter the parking area.
That is kind of hard to
You can
find.
enjoy magic all year round by upgrading by Disneyland app for the end of the day. As you travel through our resort, we'd like to remind you that our guest parking area has a speed limit of 14 miles per hour. Please observe this speed limit and yield the right of way to Disneyland Resort vehicles. We are now approaching the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals stop, which serves Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structure. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, lower your head, watch your step, exiting to the driver's right. It's been a joy celebrating happy with you at the Disneyland Resort 70th celebration. On behalf of all our cast members, we'd like to thank you for joining us today. Once in your car, please be sure to buckle up and have a happy and safe journey home. This tram will be returning to the main entrance plaza in just a few moments.
There's so much people looking at the fireworks.
So you're on that part, and I'm on the other side.
We're on that one then, right? Yeah. I'm not on the other side, right? Oh, we're on that side.
I was like, where are we going? We're going in here. So you are. Who's this one going? Okay.
He's like, wrong way.
Oh, I guess it is.
You'll be exit first drive right hand side, right hand side. Please wait, then, please wait. And
Don't